Assalamualaikum and good morning to Puan Azrahayu. So today me, Jason and Harish would like to present about the business model Canva. Okay, and my team's business is Crab King Cafe PO. So I will go to the key partners. Okay, key partners ni macam mana kita dapat. Our key partner is grocery stores. Macam contoh bahan-bahan mentah yang kita beli dekat grocery stores. And then delivery service provider and shop maintenance, which is kalau ada benda yang rosak ke apa, so kita dah memang ada maintenance kat situ. Okay, and then I will go to key activities. Apa yang kita buat, aktiviti yang kita buat lah. Contoh kita buat sale and customer service and advertising, macam contoh kita iklankan benda tu, dan marketing. Marketing ni salah satunya bila kita bagi teh tarik dekat our frontliners. So daripada situ orang boleh tahu kita punya kedai. So di situ orang dah tahulah kita punya kedai. So sebab tu kita panggil marketing. And then kita key resource, which is social media page, website and store location. Ni macam mana orang dapat tahu? Okay, kadang daripada social media, website and store location. Okay, and I will pass to Harish.
Thank you, Khairul. So now I'll be explaining about value proposition, customer relationship, and channels. So first, let's start with value proposition. Value proposition is something that we promise that we will deliver to our customer. So first is affordable price. Every food in Cracking Cafe is affordable. It's a student-based price, and it's easy accessible location, which is in Polytechnic Unkuoma, where it is in middle of the town. Our food is a Malaysian-based food, so it is variety option. It has all multiracial food. Various payment methods are available. We expect debit card, credit card, cash, and also PayPal. Next is party reservation here. We are our main our cafe is in college area. So normally college students you love to have party. So we have party reservation. So it will be easy for them to reserve and they don't have to wait. Not only for them, even for other people from out to come and reserve. Next is customer relationship. In a business, in my opinion, customer relationship is very, very important. So that's why we have a special segment for chats where our user or our customers could chat with us, could tell what they feel about our business or what they feel that we should improve. Next is feedback. We also have feedback way where they can send their feedback to us via email. They can tell what we can improvise and what we shouldn't do. Next is social media. In this, social media is something very neat in 21st century. So we use they could personally DM us and tell what is their problem. Next is channels. Channels is something that how we try to connect with our customers and how do we try to communicate with them. So in that way, we have created Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and online website. Facebook is on Twitter where we will also promote our our cafe. We add about our information of our cafe. We try to tell them new things at our cafe, our ideas, and to even have feedback medium in our channels. So next, I will then our online website. Online website is where our customers can go and check out our cafe, where they even can order our food online. They can see the menu, they can do reservation, and they can also have their own login account, where they have their own account where they can check their previous orders. So now I'll be passing to my team member Jason.
Thank you, Harish. Now we'll continue with the balance 3. First, customer segments. So what is customer segments? Customer segments is who are targeted customers. So first, our targeted customers is those people who don't want to cook in their house. Because of this current situation, everyone is been working from day to night. They don't have enough time to cook. So those people are our targeted. Next, people who want food delivered at their doorstep. Especially right now because of the COVID, everyone scared to dine in or to go straight to the store. So those people like to buy from online, also targeted customers for our cafe. Next, elder people who want to eat from outside. Those elder peoples, those uh, want to taste the new types of foods. They are also being targeted, and those which do not take online orders, they are being also customers target. And our our cafe is not only for them, but all type of customers are also targeted customers for us, especially students and lecturers. Next, cost structure. Cost structure is those money that we've been going to use, those money being out from the cafe. So main cost structure been been is cost of ingredients. So cost of ingredients, we need to buy those ingredients. So we have to invest our money first. Then making and production. So we have to make the foods. Then we have to use our money to make the food. Then in the same time we need it to be product the productions needs money for that. Next, other causes. So what is other causes? Other causes, main example is marketing. If we take marketing we need to use money. So because there's no free marketing. Free marketing is very less right now. We have to use money for marketing, especially those Insta ad, Facebook ads, or YouTube ads. And the last one, revenue streams. So revenue streams is those money that we getting back. So there are 2 points. That first one is delivery fees. So from delivery fees we can get money, and another point is commission on an order. So these two been part under revenue streams. So that's all from our team, from my team, for the BMC. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.